What's up, guys? So we're gonna replace the mirror. This is a 2000 International. What you want to do is push the bottom out, or you can use the controls, push it out. Once you get it out from the bottom, you don't want to push up like that, and then it'll pop out from the back. And then you want to remember where the wires are connected in the back for the heated mirror. The black will be on the left, the red positive will be on the right, which is here. All right, and it also shows you on the back, you know, negative, positive. All right, so this mirror just basically slides in. So when you put it back, you just push it down and it locks in place. So we're gonna replace this mirror with a new one. This mirror is under $50 on Amazon. I will put the affiliate link on the bottom, and it is a lot cheaper than getting it from the international place themselves. When I contacted them the other day, they wanted almost 150 or more for this part here. On Amazon, I paid under 50 bucks for it. So now when you put this back, you'll see that these have tabs, which basically go over here. All right, so this here, you see the tabs, you just slide it in and then it will pop in place. Make sure the wires are behind. Line up one side, and then once it pops in place, you push down on the lens, and that's it. That's as simple as you can get. That's it. If you found the video helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.